and welcome back to my channel. This is my fifth out of sixth video in my 6-part Halloween video series. You've probably seen the last 4 videos, the Enter If You Dare sign, candy corns, cat in a pumpkin, and ghost holding a trick-or-treating basket. So this time, to kind of go along with the entire thing, I'm making a little backdrop screen for everything to go in front of. So all your cute little creations can go in front of it. And if you don't have any other ones, then you can use any creation or toy that you have. But here is what you will need. You will need a pencil, paper, a Sharpie, and colored pencils. Let's get started. I'm going to start by drawing a line up like that, and then another line going up like that too. Then I will draw a little curl at the end and then a sharp point like that, and kind of draw like a roof shape. But then over here kind of branch it out and draw another curl, and then another straight line up, another small curl, and draw this like that. Then draw another line up and do another curl and draw that and do another curl, and then draw another little curl like that. So it should look like this. And then maybe if you want, add this on. Then draw a big door right here, and with maybe 2 little windows at the top, or make a door like this. So then put a little window here, and then add those right here. Maybe add another window here, and a slightly smaller window here, or a window about the same size there. You can put your windows however you want. If you can tell, this is supposed to be a big, creepy, haunted house. So, this is what it should look like right now. Now that you have your creepy, haunted house made like that, you can add shingles onto all the different rooftops that there are. And maybe even some right there, and a little balcony or something. Now, I'm gonna move on to drawing a little bat right here. So I'm gonna draw little pointed wings like that, and then a little body, and keep drawing the pointed wings. And so it should look a little something like that. Then kind of shade it in so that you know that's supposed to be dark. And then I am going to put a big moon right there, like that. And I'm gonna put like all the kind of craters in the moon and little dips. Then I'm going to put a spooky tree. So you can just do a bunch of scribbles in a circle to get like your leaves, and then sort of draw branches out like that. So now you have your little haunted house, and you can outline everything with a Sharpie. Now this might take a while, so you basically know what to do. Just outline every single little